The National Alliance for Children's Grief says childhood grief has profound impacts on youth, families, and communities. Ashley Stenslin, a bereavement care and support educator at UPMC Williamsport Divine Providence campus, does a program to help children experiencing grief called Heartworks. She says Heartworks is a comprehensive, free, and family-based grief support program for children and teens. Stenslin says they serve families because the grief work really happens within the family unit.
One of our main goals is to make sure that there's a place for all ages and whoever their caregivers are. It doesn't necessarily have to be parents. It can be whoever your grown-ups are in your life. And they come to the program together, and we kind of approach it in that way.
Stenslin says peer support allows children and teens help each other cope and helps them know that they are not alone. She says it's not therapy, they do consider it peer support, so it's a little bit different. Stenslin says in the group setting, it feels like play for them, so they try to foster that and never make the kids talk about whatever they don't want to talk about. They do gear their activities towards creating a dialogue if they're open to it. Meetings are typically held in the evenings at UPMC Divine Providence campus in Williamsport.
We have family-style dinner together. We try to keep it pretty consistent, and it's kid-friendly foods. Pizza is always good. And we use that time to just kind of, connect and get to know one another. And there's a little time for games.
Stenslin says after dinner, they go in their classroom areas and they have age group breakouts. That would be for elementary, middle school, or high school. She says while the kids are meeting in their age groups, they also have an adult group. Stenslin says it's important to have this, especially November being Children's Grief Awareness Month.
The whole goal was just to make more awareness out there and create a dialogue about what children need. They have unique needs developmentally and, just as far as what their understanding about death might be.
Stenslin says kids can't hold these big feelings all day like adults can, and so they go in and out of grief. She says they might play for a while and then they have a question. Something that they're playing with may remind them of who just passed. Stenslin says they also offer community education on grief.
I can do this for churches, for schools, for any, other organizations that might support families. And this could be as simple as, providing a list of resources or reading that might be good. Or it could be, a full staff or church presentation or support.
For more information on how to register for Heartworks, head to WNEP.com. For this Healthwatch 16 report, I'm Justin Gick, Newswatch 16.